Hello, my name is Michael Pierce. Welcome to the How to Navigate the NASA STEM Engagement website. This is an official NASA website for both educators and students. There is even an official NASA Kids Club. NASA's goal for this website is clearly visible on the homepage. There are also links to NASA's different research and flight centers, as well as the option to follow NASA on social media. Educators have their own link, as you can see on the For Educators website. On this page, you can see a link to their monthly calendar of STEM activities. And as you can see, yesterday was NASA's birthday. On the educators page, when you scroll down, you can find curriculums for various age ranges, grade ranges. Each grade level will have appropriate activities for that age range. Students also have their own link on the left. Many of the same activities are repeated on these pages by age group. As you can see here on the grades 5 through 8 page. There are, however, even more activities and articles for students to explore on their own. The All About the Moon activity is a great starting place for space-loving students. There are scientific facts, pictures, animations, fun facts, even pictures from Apollo 11 moon landing. Students are able to choose other astronomical topics to research as well. There are many other activities for students, even crossword puzzles. On the top menu, students can explore NASA missions, picture galleries, NASA TV. They can follow NASA on various social media links, download apps, podcasts, ebooks, even audio and ringtones. Find out more about NASA and various links to other NASA audiences. Over on the grades 9 through 12 page, there is even a link to another activity I've mentioned previously on my website called FIRST, a robotics competition to inspire students and increase STEM education. There does not appear to be a limit to STEM ideas for educators and students on NASA's website. Thank you and have a good night.